When you combine a lot of grease, oil, and wipes in a sewer system, something known as a fatberg, which can plug up the pipes around a home or business. New state regulations went into effect this month, aimed at reducing the number of these costly and gross clogs. Fox 13's Aaron Mesmer live in Tampa. How common is this issue, Aaron?
It's a lot more common than you might think, Linda. Improperly disposed grease is such a typical issue here in Tampa that we're told city workers are responding to at least one call about this every single day. It's lunchtime at Joe's New York Diner in Tampa. The kitchen is pumping out a lot of food and a lot of grease.
Humongous amount of grease that we deal with on a daily basis.
Joe's owner, Mo Hassan, knows how important it is to properly dispose grease.
If there was not really an ordinance or some kind of policy in place, I think we would have a huge issue.
Issues that could grow to the size of what's known as a fatberg. They almost look like small icebergs and are formed inside drains and pipes when grease and oil combine with flushed non-biodegradable items like wipes. New state regulations went into effect this month aimed at minimizing these types of clogs.
Wastewater overflows from grease was the #1 cause of overflows in the city of Tampa.
Up until July 1st, crews pumping out grease from a restaurant's grease trap could leave behind some of the dirty water, or gray water as it's called. That's no longer allowed. All of it must go at the same time.
Because when the grease gets down in there, it hardens up.
And sticks to pipes, many of which are aging and being replaced across the city. Tampa's Waste Management Director, Eric Weiss, says the new regulations combined with new pipes will help a lot.
When you have an old pipe, it may be cracked and things. That can help. That actually helps grease attach to it and form fatbergs because it's not as smooth as a new or rehabilitated pipe.
That can happen at a restaurant or, more likely according to Weiss, outside a home. Hassan says everyone needs to do their part.
We are not only business people in this community, we're also residents in this community. So it's important for us to understand the consequences of not handling grease properly.